Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to name your Tesla. Tesla does allow us to name our cars very easily through one of the screens in your car. It's kind of fun. I had a hard time deciding on a name, but I finally did, and I want to show you how to update it. Check it out. All right, so across the top of your screen, you see the Tesla logo, and we're going to click on that. And then we have About Your Tesla. You can see is a Model Y long range dual motor, blue. All right, so to name your vehicle, you go to the top right, and mine says Big Blue. And that's where you can actually just type in and update the name of your vehicle. And I don't want to change mine, we've already decided on a name. Anyway, so you would just type it in and then click on Save. All right. So the name of your vehicle shows up on your About Your Tesla screen, but also the screen on the left closer to your steering wheel. You can see that it says Big Blue up here on the top left. That was just a really quick tutorial today, but hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.